This week's feast.
新年的年糕。Happy Chinese New Year, everybody. It is now the year of the pig. No, definitely not that pig. More like this kind of pig. Mama Wong's in the kitchen today to show us her take on a classic, a niangao dumpling filled with red bean paste. In Chinese, niangao means sticky cake, but it's considered lucky to eat during the Chinese New Year because it's a homonym for niangao, which sounds the same, but the characters are different. So the words actually mean year and higher. So eating niangao is symbolic for raising oneself higher in the new year. Pretty clever. Today we're making a niangao dumpling with red bean paste. We're gonna need a special glutinous flour that you can find at Asian markets or online. So mix half of your flour and sugar with a third cup of boiling water and the other half with cold water, then combine the two and continue mixing together until it becomes a ball of dough. When you finish kneading it, place it in a container and cover it to let it rise. It should double in size. Then flour it up and punch the air out. Knead and roll this out into a tube and break it off into smaller 3-ounce pieces. Using a rolling pin, work these around in a circular motion to create a dumpling skin and then place 1 tablespoon of red bean paste in the middle. Now folding dumplings is surprisingly easy. First fold the top in half and then continue pinching the dough together on the left and right sides to seal it off. It takes a little time to master, so just be careful you don't put too much paste in the middle, otherwise it'll spill out the sides. Heat a pot of oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and dip your niangao in, letting them float to the top and flipping them till the size is doubled. And voila, that's it. Our niangao came out a little paler than normal since the oil we used was new, but check out these delicious and scrumptious treats that you can have on the Chinese New Year. 新年快乐, everybody.
炸好了，
炸好了，
要晾凉了才能拿手拿，要不然烫手。
对，祝你新年快乐。
对，新年快乐，恭喜发财，
恭喜发财，
身体健康，如愿美
利 what is it?
Lucky money, lucky money.
Lucky money.
红包快快到来。
啊 ，OK。
吉米还没有结婚
还没有，
可以给他一个红包，但是我今天没有带，偷
没事
偷的给吧。
这里面是红色的，所以就是一个红。
他们有的时候饺子里面他放一个钱，
对对对对，
放一个硬币，如果吃到你就 lucky。
lucky 啊。
如果你牙没有给牙吃崩了，你就 lucky。
就用那个钱作为修你的牙。
修的那一个钱用修不了。
修不了 ，OK。好，吃吧。
Cheers。
Red bean
幾好啦，
幾好啦，恭喜發財，
挺好的，
利是到來，
年年高。
Good job, Mom. Thank you.
thank you 嗰個。
不客氣。
不客氣。啊，哇！
新年到来，媳妇娶进来，
那是什麼意思？
妹子老婆娶进来。
啊，哎呀 ，OK. Always trying to hook me up. All right.
That's what Chinese parents do.
It's true. But then when I have to leave, you won't let me leave.
We can live together. You don't have to throw up.
I choked on my niangao. That was such a terrible idea. All right, the New Year is here. There's lots of different things. Let us know in the comments what you guys eat during the Chinese New Year if you celebrate it. If not, it's the first year to do so. Let's go. Let's have a fun time. Let's have a party. Get a little hongbao from someone. Yeah, you get money every New Year. That's awesome.
But you have to 叩頭 first to get the 紅包。No, you kneel down and hit your head on the ground.
Jeez, that's how you get money?
No.
因为你 yes.
All right, see you guys
北
later.
方是这样的。
We just get money, come on.
No.
This how you, come on, bring it in. All right, well, let us know in the comments what you want to see us make next on the show. Until then, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys next time.
春节快乐，拜拜。
Oh, I'm tired.